Now, your local weather with meteorologist Rebecca Velasquez.
And another gorgeous day across the Arkansas. A few of us dealing with some scattered showers, as you can see on our sweeping radar. Brought to you by Eorm Young. Very brief, very isolated pop-up showers. We actually saw a few of those showers passing through Ouachita Parish, and now they're quickly moving west along I-20. We saw these kind of developing along the Mississippi River Valley area, and then continuing to move westward along I-20. But if you notice how small, how discreet, how isolated, how separated these showers are, it's similar to what a summertime scattered shower event would look like. And yes, technically we're in fall, but it feels like summer, and we're still seeing that summer-like pattern with scattered showers across the Arkansas. So those are quickly passing through. One thing that is not quickly passing through is Hurricane Maria. Still well off the Atlantic Ocean, still a Category 3 hurricane. It is expected to move northward, similar to the path Jose took, but the big concerns with Maria is that once it gets to a certain point along the East Coast, it is expected to stay there and stay stationary for approximately 48 hours, and that could bring concerns for high surf and rip currents, as we saw with Jose. So we can kind of see Maria's eyes not letting up. We see a lot of convection along the western portion of Maria as it continues to move northward. So Maria is not giving up anytime soon. Another thing that's not giving up anytime soon is this heat, this summer-like pattern that we're feeling across the Arkansas, thanks to a stout ridge over, I would say, the central and eastern portion of the U.S. We are dealing with hot, humid conditions as that heat is trapped under that ridge. And then off to our west, Montana, Colorado, Idaho, they're dealing with chilly, wet, snowy kind of conditions every so often, and cold, rainy conditions as well. So good news in this is that we do have a cool down in the forecast, but one thing that we do need and that we start to need is some rain. We are seeing some abnormally dry conditions for the western portion of the Arkansas, especially our Arkansas counties. So we're not quite in the worrisome drought category, but we could use some rain, especially to cool us down. Temperatures are in the upper 80s, low 90s across the Arkansas, but it feels like the mid 90s. Not quite heat advisory level, but still pretty hot. We will cool down just a little bit tonight. Temperatures are expected to reach the upper 60s, low 70s across the Arkansas under mostly clear skies. Now, we are going to see clear conditions for tonight and for tomorrow morning as you're heading out to church, but a few of us might want to have an umbrella handy because we're going to see what we saw today. Early afternoon scattered showers possible, quickly dissipating by the evening hours, and this will be mostly for along I-20 and south. Isolated, very brief. Not all of us will see rain tomorrow, but all of us will feel the heat. Similar to today, we're expecting mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, highs reaching the low 90s for tomorrow. And then we have another scattered shower potential for Monday afternoon, as well as temperatures will be in the low 90s. And then thanks to that ridge, we're not expecting all that rain that we were expecting yesterday and really the past week. That ridge is staying stout. It's not letting any rain, but we are still banking on a cold front to pass through that ridge, giving us temperatures in the upper 80s and then low 80s for Friday and Saturday. It's going to feel amazing. So we just have to get through a few more hot days, and then we'll see a much appreciated cool down.